Welcome to ICS Mahesh PU College, Dharwad. In this session, let us solve the last two problems of the exercise. As next problem is, a diet is to contain at least 80 units of vitamin A and 100 units of minerals. Two foods F1 and F2 are available. Food F1 cost rupees 4 per unit and food F2 cost rupees 6 per unit. A unit of F1 contains at least 3 units of vitamin A and 4 units of minerals, and a unit of food F2 contains at least 6 units of vitamin A and 3 units of minerals. Formulate this as LPP and find the minimum cost for the diet that consists of mixture of these two foods and also meets the minimal nutritional requirement. Here the diet is going to form from these two types of foods, that is F1 and F2. A diet has to contain at least 80 units of vitamin A and 100 units of minerals. They have given the prices of those two types of food, that is rupees 4 per unit for F1 food and rupees 6 per unit for F2 type of food. And F1 and F2 both are containing vitamin A and minerals, as 3 units of vitamin A and 4 units of minerals in F1 type of food. Similarly, F2 also contains at least 6 units of vitamin A and 3 units of minerals. Now we have to find the minimum cost of the diet, that is our objective is to find the minimum value for the diet. Let us see how to find the minimum cost for the diet by formulating the objective function, that is let x be the quantity of food F1 and y be the quantity of food F2. Now we have to find the minimum cost for the diet that consists of mixtures of these two foods and also meets the minimal nutritional requirement, that is minimum of Z is. In the question they have given that the prices of these two types of foods, that is rupees 4 per unit and rupees 6 per unit for F1 and F2 foods respectively. Therefore our linear objective function becomes minimum of Z is equal to 4x plus 6y. Now we have to find the constraints by the data, as a unit of F1 contain at least 3 units of vitamin A and a unit of food F2 contain at least 6 units of vitamin A, where the diet mixture is to contain at least 80 units of vitamin A. Here also we have the word at least, which means that the diet may contain exactly 80 units of vitamin A or more than 80 units of vitamin A. Therefore the constraint is 3x plus 6y greater than or equal to 80. This is for vitamin A. And the next constraint is a unit of F1 contains at least 4 units of minerals and a unit of food F2 contains at least 3 units of mineral, where the diet mixture is to contain at least 100 units of mineral. Therefore our constraint becomes 4x plus 3y greater than or equal to 100. This is for minerals, and x comma y greater than or equal to 0. Considering the first equality, 3x plus 6y equal to 80. On solving we get first point as 0 comma 40 by 3, next point is 80 by 3 comma 0. Considering the second equality, 4x plus 3y equal to 100, points are 0 comma 100 by 3, next point is 25 comma 0. Let us plot the graph in which first point is 0 comma 40 by 3, next point is 80 by 3 comma 0. We have a line by joining these 2 points. Since the inequality is greater than or equal to 0, therefore we are shading away from the origin. And third point is 0, 100 by 3. Next point is 25, 0. We have again a line. Similarly, we have to shade away from the origin because this is greater than or equal to inequality. Hence, the feasible region is an unbounded graph. Now we have to find one more point by solving the equations. 3x plus 6y equal to 80 and 4x plus 3y equal to 100. On simplifying, we get x as 24, y equal to 4 by 3. Therefore, B having coordinate 24, 4 by 3. That is, here the corner points are A of 0, 100 by 3, B of 24, 4 by 3 and C of 80 by 3, 0. Let us find the value of Z. 200, 104, 106.4. By observing, we can say that the minimum value is 104, but the graph is an unbounded graph. For this reason, let us consider inequality 4x plus 6y less than 104. Therefore, we have x and y values as, when x equal to 0, we get y as 52 by 3. Here is a point 0, 52 by 3. And next point is y equal to 0, we have x equal to 26. Here is a point 26, 0. Joining these 2 points, we have a line. Since the third inequality, that is less than 104, which is true answer when we have substituting x and y as 0, therefore shading towards the origin. You are observing that there is no common region between the feasible region and the shaded region. That is, there is no common points between feasible region and the shaded region. Here, hence, minimum of Z is 104 at the point B of 24, 4 by 3. Therefore, rupees 104 is the minimum cost of the mixture when 24 units of food F1 and 4 by 3 units of food F2 are mixed to get the minimum value. This is the solution for the question. Next question is, there are two types of fertilizers, F1 and F2. F1 consists of 10% nitrogen and 6% phosphoric acid, and F2 consists of 5% nitrogen and 10% phosphoric acid. After testing the soil conditions, a farmer finds that she needs at least 14 kg of nitrogen and 14 kg of phosphoric acid for her crop. If F1 cost rupees 6 per kg and F2 cost rupees 5 per kg, determine how much of each type of fertilizer should be used so that the nutrient requirement are met at a minimum cost. What is the minimum cost? Here there are two types of fertilizers, F1 and F2. They have given that the consistence of F1 and F2 as F1 consists of 10% nitrogen and 6% phosphoric acid. Also, F2 consists 5% nitrogen and 10% phosphoric acid. Here, a farmer finds that after testing the soil condition that she needs at least 14 kg of nitrogen and 14 kg of phosphoric acid for her crop. They have also given the prices of these two types of fertilizers, that is rupees 6 per kg and rupees 5 per kg for F1 and F2 types of fertilizers respectively. We have to determine the minimum cost for the fertilizer so that the nutrient requirement at the minimum. Let us see how to find the solution. Let X be the quantity of fertilizer F1, let Y be the quantity of fertilizer F2. Now we have to determine how much each type of fertilizer should be used so that the nutrient requirement are met at a minimum cost. That is, our objective function is to find the minimum. Therefore, in the question they have given that the cost of these two types of fertilizers, that is 6 per kg and 5 per kg. Therefore, our objective function is minimum of z is equal to 6x plus 5y, and constraints are F1 consists of 10% nitrogen and F2 consists of 5% nitrogen, and she needs at least 14 kg of nitrogen. Therefore, the 10% means 0.1 into x and 0.05 y greater than or equal to 14 kg. This is for nitrogen. And one more constraint is F1 consists of 6% phosphoric acid, F2 consists of 10% phosphoric acid, and she needs at least 14 kg phosphoric acid. Therefore, 0.06x and plus 0.1 y greater than or equal to 14. This is for phosphoric acid, and x comma y greater than or equal to 0. Now minimizing z is equal to 6x plus 5y, and constraints are multiplying the first inequality by 20 and second inequality by 50. We have 2x plus y greater than or equal to 280 for nitrogen, and second inequality by multiplying 50 we get 3x plus 5y greater than or equal to 700 for phosphoric acid, and x comma y greater than or equal to 0. Let us have equalities. 2x plus y equal to 280. First points are 0 comma 280. Next point is 140 comma 0. Second equality 3x plus 5y equal to 700. We have the values 0 comma 140. Next point is 700 by 3 comma 0. Plotting the graph. A of 0 comma 280. Next point is B of 140 comma 0. We have a line. Since this is a greater than or equal symbol, therefore we are shading away from the origin. Next point is D of 0 comma 140, and next point is C of 700 by 3 comma 0. Let us join these 2 points. Again we have away from the origin region because this is also greater than or equal to symbol, and visible region is as we have yellow region. Now we have to find the intersecting point by solving the equations. 2x plus y equal to 280, 3x plus 5y equal to 700. We have x equal to 100 and y equal to 80. Therefore, we have the point B of 100 comma 80. The corner points are A of 0 comma 280, B of 100 comma 80, and last C of 100 by 3 comma 0. Therefore, we have Z values as 1400, 1000 and again 1400. Since the graph is an unbounded graph, therefore 1000 is a minimum value or may not be the minimum value. For this reason, let us consider one more inequality, that is 6x plus 5y less than 1000. Considering the equality, when we substitute x equal to 0, we obtain y as 200, that is 0 comma 200, and when y equal to 0, we have x equal to 500 by 3. Therefore, we have 500 by 3 comma 0 joining these 2 points. Since the third inequality is less than 1000, we have a true answer when we substitute x and y as 0, shading towards the origin. Therefore, there are no common points between visible region and the shaded region. Here visible region is yellow region and the shaded region is shown in darkness. Therefore, minimum of z is equal to 1000 at the point B of 100, 80. Therefore, rupees 1000 is the minimum cost of the mixture when 100 units of fertilizer F1 and 80 units of fertilizer F2 are going to mix to get the minimum nutritional requirement. Thank you.